Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Game again, bring another Nikkei Goddess of Victory. I've been like, I will be making a full video. I know that the collaboration, some people, I know, I understand, there's no jiggle physics. It's a collaboration, unfortunately. It all depends on, again, how they respect the IP, because most likely when they sign the contract on all of the collaborations that they're doing, they would be asking, can we make it more jiggly? And then if the team says no, then like again, it is what it is. Okay, so just like when you saw 2B and A2 on the near automata collaboration, I think that's one of the best collaboration in the history of Nikkei, because like you can see the cake and everything else, because Yoko Taro is a based animator, compared to when you see the Chainsaw Man, you had already the Coat Devil on Makima. They removed it, but the jiggles are not there. At least here, there's a little bit of jiggle, but not too much. Like even the ReZero, I like one of the. I don't really like the ReZero. I'm not really happy. Even the Evangelion collaboration. I know the assets are really good. Like asset wise, they're really nice to look at. They're true to the characters itself. But again, they can only do enough according to what the IP is telling them. Okay, so but they could have done that's their own idea. We're in Rouge, right? Rouge has a $60 skin, which in the quote was crazy put on. People are still arguing. I haven't made a video on that, so this is one of the like my take on that. They should have not put in that jacket. Okay, if they can remove it on Makima, why can't they remove it on Rouge as well? And they're paying for $60. Let the whales enjoy their fun. Okay, let the whales enjoy their fun. Some people are telling if you're not buying the skin, it's all okay. It's all like even if you're free to play, you can voice out your concerns as well, right? So you need to have your money's worth. You need to pay for what the money's worth. Like for example, $130 skin on Girls Frontline 2, it's like highway robbery. You can buy a AAA game there. That's why I think Nikkei's thought about not going over the $60, because I think that's the safe point. Maybe a $50 one would be. People are still arguing it's a very steep amount for a skin. But again, if you feel like you're not, like for example, it's a AAA game, it's not worth $60. You know, it's like almost like 80 or 100, right? So going into that number might get people really riled up. But again, they introduce the gacha skin when people are sold already with the story and all and everything else with the characters as well. So again, it is what it is. But thankfully, it's not 130. But again, they're getting lazier on covering jackets and stuff. Like I know it's not a game we're in. It's not above 16, right? I think it's still PG-12. So comment down below if it's still PG-12. But again, $60 skin should not have that jacket. It's kind of wild. So hopefully they change it, just like what happened to Bunny Rupee as well, because previously Bunny Rupee didn't have her animations, new animations. Now she has one. So hopefully they change that. So again, that's my opinion on that. Let us summon for the Resident Evil collaboration X Nikkei Goddess of Victory. It looks really badass here. Looks really badass. So let us do the summons. I might summon for D, but again, I saw the LD animations, the 2D animations for her. Oh, like if you're bro, if you are summoning her as Limit Break 3, you will get that animation. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy, crazy, crazy. But right now, we're gonna be recruiting um Ada Wong. I know there's also drama wherein they don't really like the VA, but like it is what it is, guys. Like, bro, like again, there's no jiggle, there's nothing whatsoever. Her ult is also lackluster. Like, bro, an SSR character with lackluster ult. Look at this. Can we see the ult? Can we see the ult? So that's the ult. Oh my god, one of the plainest ult in existence in Nikkei God of Victory. So crazy. But we're still summoning because, like, again, collaboration. We might be summoning Milk. Maybe we'll summon Milk and Ada. But like this one is better, you know. This one is better. But let's just summon for Ada Wong for the moment. Let's see how it goes. So hopefully we get her, and then let's like we'll end this, okay? If like comment down below if you're summoning for Ada Wong. Me, I don't care. I'm just collecting waifus at this time. I have lots of like gems. I'm just gonna get one copy of her, and then that's it. I'm not gonna go and then we're done. No. So is it like is it a pilgrim? It's not pilgrim, right? She's not a pilgrim unit. So that's for sure. So she's not Pilgrim, she's an abnormal because she's a collaboration, I forgot. So yeah. So let's summon for her again. Second pool. I have 100,000 gems. So I'm not really that worried. Most likely I'll get a copy of her. Maybe in 7 pools. I always do 7 pools. Or max would be like 14 pools. Like the worst one that I had was like in Evangelion collaboration. Hopefully Jill I'll be summoning for sure. That's for sure. Because Jill is one of my like favorite characters in Resident Evil. And she also have that like the skirt version of her. That's what I want. So we got the third pool. This would be the fourth pool. Hopefully I'll get her on the fourth pool. Okay, see, fourth pool. What I like about Nikkei, the rates are really good. I really do love the rates. Let's see how it goes. Please get me an abnormal typing here so that's we're done. So that we're done. Please. No more fake outs, please. Abnormal. Yes, we're done. So that's what we do it. That's why I love Nikkei so much. Still playing Nikkei to this day. Third year anniversary in. I'm just happy enough to get those characters. I just don't want to miss the chance to get collaborations, okay? So don't be too greedy. Just get one and you're done. Again, in this game, you don't really need lots of copies. You don't even need a copy, okay? If you just invest time, you'll get there. So just look at this, okay? I have a Cinderella, like I made Cinderella T3. Like look at the characters. I know I don't have lots of copies, but like even my Scarlet is 3. With time and with luck, you'll be able to reach this. I have all of the abnormal characters technically. Let's see abnormal characters here. So abnormal. So this I've gotten them since the Chainsaw Man collaboration, since the so I got Makima and everybody else there. So the Evangelion one, the reruns of the Evangelion, two Askas, two Rays, A2 and A2 B2 and A2, 2B and A2, and then again Eve and Raven. So I got everybody. So if you're enjoying collaborations, again, you can really see lots of jiggles. Like it's understandable. I played quite a few gacha games, and it depends on the maker of that IP whether or not they're happy enough to go above and beyond. So I think Yoko Taro is the only one that like allowed because he's a based. Because, again, Capcom man, Capcom. How can they put you on like How can they put in the jiggles? But like it is what it is. Hopefully you guys like this video, like and subscribe. Have you pulled for Ada? How's your sentiments on the Resident Evil collaboration? The mini game is great by the way. But other than that, again, they're like boards. They don't move. It is what it is. But like again, hoping that we can get more based maybe Brown Dust 2 X Nikkei, we'll see. That's gonna be wild. We'll see about that. It's again 2000 Gaming and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.